So it's a real privilege to be able to talk about the amazing work of the Paula Takacs Foundation and its many volunteers and its leaders. This is a unique foundation that does so much for patients with sarcoma and in fact more broadly for patients with cancer in general, as many of the advances that have come from the world of sarcoma treatment actually spill over to other areas. One of the strong features of the Takacs Foundation is the fact that the money that the foundation raises is used locally. Now, fortunately, we have the Levine Cancer Institute here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and 25 other sites, and we bring clinical treatment and research to patients in the community rather than making them come to us. We've recruited more than 150 specialists from the best cancer centers in America to act as our staff, including drawing some excellent people from this region. And we've now been working for just 10 years. Our partnership with the Paula Takacs Foundation has existed through that period, and it has amazingly strengthened research done in sarcoma. In fact, just this past year, Dr. Mike Livingston, who leads the program here with Dr. Jeff Niesel, has presented data at an international meeting, and we've published our data as well. This couldn't possibly have happened without the active support of the volunteers at the Paula Takacs Foundation and the extraordinary work they do. They're committed to several strong mission statements. The one that really appeals to me is Stronger Together. It's a meaningful thing that talks about the group working as a whole and interfacing with the cancer treatment and research community. They also have a strong message that relates to identifying sarcomas at an earlier stage, because the earlier we find them, the higher the cure rate. But we're ready for people with advanced disease, and we're doing a lot of work in targeted therapy, some of the new treatments that are targeted on genes in the immune system to help overcome cancer. We're very grateful to the volunteers at the Takacs Foundation for all their selfless and dedicated and committed work. They believe that learning at a higher level, working earlier, diagnosing earlier are such important precepts. And if you go to their website, you can learn more about this important foundation.